I mean, if I had your skin, probably I'd make up too.
Really? I'm surprised you're not wearing anything. You need it.
Maybe just making up. Right, so she is putting on some kind of cream for her pimples. She's got many. And she has like a tattoo on her finger or something. Okay. She's closing the cream. She looks very sad. Oh, god damn it. What the hell? Oh, that's gross. Oh my. Oh, okay.
Damn it!
She's swearing. I could read the list. You know, she's swearing.
She didn't swear.
Okay, she's covering her eye bags because she has a very intense nightlife. And she's playing some stupid Korean song as usual. And what's going on? Okay. No, she doesn't look any better. No. Actually, she does even look worse, if that is possible. And yeah, I think she mistook chocolate for the cream. What? Oh, wow, okay. She looks very happy with the result. I mean, of course she's not making up in front of a mirror. Okay. Wants to make up like an Indian or something. Okay. What is on her finger? I cannot... Is it an F? No?
Rose, you idiot.
It's an F, yeah, it's my name. It's my name. Right, she's trying different hues of... Oh, okay. Is this Korean makeup? It's Korean makeup, isn't it? Yeah, black face, yeah, the usual one, yeah. Enjoying very much rubbing her face with a gigantic brush. And yes, now she's pretending she doesn't have any, wrinkles, but what's going on? What is going on? Oh, this is no, this is so creepy. Okay, she's changed the brush to the unicorn pink brush. What the hell is that? That is so girly, right? Oh, she's making up like a clown. Now I got it. Wow.
I hate you.
I think she's got like 2 centimeters of makeup on her face. Is this your usual makeup routine?
I'm not wearing anything.
Is this makeup from Uniqlo or something?
It's a clothes shop.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not.
Okay. Ooh. And this is why she hasn't studied anything in Oxford, because you spent the days making up, yeah? Oh, god damn it. Right. Yeah, I really needed a makeup tutorial, to be honest, you know, it's
You need your makeup done, you idiot.
yeah.
When I'm trying to explain something to somebody and I just don't have all the words that I need, it's at the tip of your tongue, it's just out of reach.
Wow, she's so good at painting herself. Now she's ready for the circus.
You would know it right.
Ah, what are you doing to your eyes? Oh, this is so painful. Oh. Earrings? Oh no! Why are you sticking things on your face? Drops? Okay. What? With glue? Oh my. Face what? Face glue? What the heck? Oh, what is that? What are you doing to your eyes? What are you doing to your eyes? face screw, you think?
Anything like
Well, normal, okay. I mean, I know it's hard to find a boyfriend, but if you have to struggle that much, you can just
wow.
be alone.
Oh my god.
Right. Ooh la la. I think that unemployment is a very bad thing. Look how much much free time you have. Right. Ready for the new Joker film. What is that?
I don't know.
Okay.
I know you can tell them to like the video.
Yeah, please do like the video and don't waste that much time making up. Come on. Oh, what the hell is that? What is?